Good morning, guys, from Smoky Mountain National Park. We have made it to Cades Cove, which is an 11-mile loop, and we are at the first stop, which I can't remember the name of it, but I'll tell you in a minute, or I'll put it down here. What do you see?
A bear. We see a bear.
All right, guys, we have made it to our next stop on Cades Cove. Cades Cove. This is Abrams Falls Trail. Yay! It's 2.5 miles long.
And at the end, we're gonna see a waterfall.
Oh, I didn't know that. It's news to me.
Abrams Falls, hello.
Yeah, so we'll see you there. I'm out of breath. I'm not used to hiking. We just went up here. Yeah, I think this is the highest we go though.
We have our
Nanner
post-hike nanner. So the hike was 5 miles.
How long did it take us?
So the sign says to allow 3 to 4 hours, and it did take us 3 hours.
It's very hot.
But we did some stopping.
We did it.
There was a lot of like gradual inclines, so it's not like a steep incline. You're kind of like going, there's like 2 inclines, and then it's kind of like
There were a couple
downhill.
that were pretty steep, but not too bad.
Not too bad.
It's just very hot. And
it is. It's like 80 degrees, but we did it. And we're gonna eat.
Yeah, we need some food.
And head to the next stop in the park.
Which I'm not sure what it is, but you'll see.
Don't worry, I know where it's at. We're keeping her in the dark.
All right, eat this banana.
Kayla, what do you see?
Bears. A mama and 2 babies.
Out there.
Oh my gosh. You guys. There's a mama and 2 babies.
I think Kayla and Shreya are trying to get me murdered. Do you see this? So if you're looking for the troll bridge, you don't need to do what we did and walk all through the woods. You see this?
There's a trail.
There's like an actual trail that's very noticeable from, what is it called again?
The Little River Trail.
Off the Little River Trail. Right when you come in, you'll come from that way, the entrance. It's huge, you can't miss it.
You really can't.
And it's right there.
We didn't walk far enough.
Yeah.
I think that's what it is. We didn't
walked
walk
through the woods all in here, through trees and branches and yeah. You don't need to do that. There's a better path. One of our last stops for today here at the park is the Ben Morton Overlook, and look how pretty it is, you guys. Good afternoon from Smoky Mountain National Park. It's day 2 here. Yesterday we did Cades Cove. It's 11 miles, and we stopped at some of the sites. And then we did Abrams Falls Trail. It's 5 miles. My legs hurt really bad. We saw 5 bears. Whoop, whoop. I don't know what else. That's about it. Today we're doing Klingman's Dove. Klingman's Dome. I'm about to do that right now. So wish me luck because I'm not gonna have legs after this. How you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm tired. I'm huffing and puffing. It's only half a mile. It's like straight up. I'm dying. How are you?
I'm okay.
How are you?
We're already more than halfway. It's not that bad.
I feel like it keeps getting steeper the higher we get.
Well, we are going up to over 6,000, so we're going to like 600 or 6,600 and something feet above elevation, so yeah.
Next stop, Laurel Falls. Alright, so we just got back from Laurel Falls. It was a nice waterfall up there. We sat and talked for about a half hour and people watched. So yeah, it's a mile, 1.3 miles there, so 2.6 round trip. It's mainly paved, but there are some spots that are broken up here and there. And yeah, that's basically the end of our day here. For watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.